getting started with about 2 cups of smashed up pretzel sticks. You'll go ahead and spread those out onto the bottom of your baking dish. Now I have 2 bags here of Ghirardelli chocolate. Yes, that melting chocolate. So I grabbed 2 bags of that, melted it, and now I'm just pouring that right over the pretzels. Wow, I love chocolate. Let's get that all out of there. We want to use all of that chocolate up. It's gonna be so good, and what a good complement to the salty pretzel. Now, right on top of that here, I have a 16-ounce jar of peanut butter. Now, I chose crunchy peanut butter. Of course, you could choose any type of peanut butter that you want, but I thought that the texture of the peanuts along with that pretzel would be so good, so I'm just gonna dump that all right in there. Oh, perfect. You'll take a minute to mix that all together so the chocolate, the peanut butter, and the pretzels are nice and mixed and everything is fully combined. Oh, this is such an easy and delicious treat. I love making this around the holidays, and I think that you guys are really gonna love it too. Looks like we got everything mixed together. I'm just gonna spread it out so you have a nice even layer right there distributed through your baking dish. Oh, the crunch of the pretzel, the saltiness with the sweet, the crunchy peanut butter. This is all gonna be so amazing. We don't even have to turn on the oven. Okay, so there we go. Now, to make this even better, look at that. I have some mini jet puffed marshmallows. I know, right? I thought that these would be so super cute for the holidays, and it kind of reminds me of hot chocolate. I don't know. So I am totally for it. I think that these are going to be so great. So you just want to put those right there on the top if you're going to use them before that starts to get to set up. So it's nice and still warm right now. So we're gonna add a bunch of those little mini marshmallows. Okay, I'll give them a little tap with my hands there just to make sure that they sink right into that chocolate. And yeah, baby, that's what I'm talking about, you guys. I'm gonna pop it in the fridge so it does set up quicker for probably about an hour, and stick around. I think you're gonna love these crunchy yet fudgy and oh so cute holiday treat. Okay, I've been eagerly waiting to cut myself a bite. And honestly, the more I look at it, the more I think it's the marshmallows. I feel like it looks like hot chocolate, doesn't it? And I love hot chocolate in the wintertime. Okay, so I'm starting down with my knife. I can hear the crunch from the pretzels. Oh, it sounds so good. And I know it's gonna be so tasty, so I can't wait to cut a big square right here, just cutting right through. Oh, this is gonna be so good. All right, let's see if we can just pop that out. Oh, perfect. Just gently get that out of there. Oh, yeah. I am so ready for this. Big bite right here.
No words.
Wow. The chocolate peanut butter combo is fudgy. The pretzels are crunchy, sweet and salty. A little bit more texture from the mini marshmallows. This is my kind of treat right here. And super easy. What do we use? 4 ingredients, that's it? I mean, and that's even if you want to use the mini marshmallows. Maybe you're gonna use something else. I'm not sure. Let me know what you're gonna use on top of this delicious treat, or if you're throwing anything else inside. I wanna hear all about it in the comments, you guys. Let's share some ideas. Happy holidays. I hope you enjoy, and we'll see you guys later.